This is the final video to solve gear not working in Roblox Studio free models. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve gear not working in Roblox Studio free models, and I'm going to share them with you. The core reason gear might not function with free models often stems from script conflicts or improperly imported assets, which is precisely what our first method addresses. By meticulously checking the script hierarchy and ensuring no duplicate or conflicting scripts are present within the free model's hierarchy, we eliminate potential execution errors that prevent the gear from initializing correctly. Our second approach focuses on asset integrity. Free models can sometimes have corrupted or incomplete asset imports, leading to missing components essential for the gear's functionality. Re-importing the model or carefully inspecting its asset references and ensuring all necessary parts are correctly loaded resolves these critical dependencies. The third method targets permission and accessibility issues. In Roblox Studio, certain scripts or model components might require specific permissions to run or access other game elements, and if these are misconfigured, the gear will fail. Adjusting script permissions and ensuring the model's components are accessible to the game environment is key. Finally, our fourth method delves into the Roblox Studio environment itself. Sometimes, the studio build or cache can become corrupted, leading to unexpected behavior with models and scripts. A clean reinstall of Roblox Studio or clearing its cache files ensures a stable development environment, thereby allowing the free model's gear to function as intended without external interference.